Welcome to our tutorial on how to share your profile on Snapchat. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to easily share your Snapchat profile with friends and followers. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once opened, look for your profile picture located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture to access your profile page. Next, locate the share icon at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on the share icon to bring up the sharing options. From here, you can choose how you want to share your Snapchat profile. You can share it through text message, email, or even on other social media platforms. Once you have selected your desired sharing option, you can now easily share your Snapchat profile with your friends and followers. Whether you want to show off your latest snaps or connect with new friends, sharing your profile on Snapchat is a great way to stay connected with your network. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your Snapchat profile with others. Thank you for watching and happy snapping.